When it comes to protecting what matters most, you don't settle for less, and neither do we. At Ideal Fence, we're changing the way conventional fences are built, making us the standout choice in the industry. What sets us apart is our heavy wall, industrial strength steel foundation placed up to 4 feet in the ground. It's a game changer in durability, stability, and longevity. While others rely on their traditional wooden or vinyl post alone that can shift, rot, warp, or heave, we build fences differently. Our innovative approach starts from the ground up. The steel foundation provides an unmatched structural integrity, supporting your fence against extreme weather, ground movement, and everyday wear and tear. It doesn't stop there. Whether you're choosing wood or vinyl, our precision-engineered system ensures your fence maintains its beauty and strength for years to come. No sagging, no leaning, no compromises. Unlike traditional fences, which often need repairs and replacements over time, our heavy steel foundation ensures your investment stands the test of time, saving you money and hassle in the long run. At Ideal Fence, we believe in providing peace of mind, knowing your property is secure with a fence that's as strong as it is beautiful. No matter your style or needs, our fences are designed to elevate your space while delivering unmatched performance. When you choose Ideal Fence, you're choosing innovation, durability, and excellence, because your property deserves nothing less. Built to last, built for you, that's the ideal difference.